Good morning, guys. I am barefaced, and I thought I'd do my makeup today with you guys. This is a 67-year-old face with a lot of imperfections and lines and all of that. So thank you for joining me today. My name is Martha, and if you're new to watching me today, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I've been away for a few months, but I'm back. I want to thank you for joining me today as I put on my makeup. And so it is very hot here in Florida, and I guess it's hot all over the country, but it's super humid here and very hot, and I'm just very happy that we haven't had any hurricane threats, and I pray for that every single day, not only here for Florida, but for anywhere in the country. I'm gonna start out by putting on a little bit of foundation, and like I said, it's so hot and humid that I don't put a whole lot of makeup on my face in the summer. But I'm gonna start out with this Fit from Maybelline. Fit. It's matte and poreless. Just gonna pour a little bit on this brush. A little bit, and so I try to put it down here, over here, and I try to keep it away from where I have a lot of like lines. Just a little bit under my eyes, my nose, around my chin area, around the jaws. I guess we all have things we would love to change in our appearance. I have never had any kind of fillers or anything like that, as you could probably tell. And first of all, I really probably couldn't afford it, and second of all, I'm afraid that I'm not gonna like how it turns out. So I just try to fix myself a little bit with some makeup. I bring it a little bit down on my neck, and so that's it. Just a little bit of this foundation. I really like it. Probably will be purchasing this foundation again. The color is 125 Nude Beige. That's that. So next, I'm going to get a little bit of concealer, and right now I have the Doll 10. I don't know if you can see that. It's the Doll 10 concealer, and it's the light medium shade, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my eyelids. Not only to like even out the tone, but also because it helps the shadows stay much better. And I put some here in the corner of the eye where it gets dark. I hope that you all are doing well. Thank you so much for sticking with me through my absence. Summer's almost over, and I've been able to spend time with my grandchildren, and that is very important to me. I really enjoy them. Now I'm going, that's it. That's all I'm doing just for the foundation of the eyes. And I am going to get a little bit of this True Match powder in the shade W4. And I'm going to pick some of that up with this Doll 10 brush. Just put it over my cheeks. Forehead. This Wednesday will be my wedding anniversary. 48 years, you guys, with my husband George, and a lot to celebrate, right? We've been blessed to be able to have each other all these years. And I'm going to use this Morphe palette, Morphe 2, and I'll show you the colors. They're pretty. Okay, like it's like a burgundy color. And I'm gonna put it sort of a little bit above the crease. Above the crease. Everybody's eye shapes is different, so whatever technique you have for your eyes, that's fine. This is the way I do it. And then I'm going to put a little bit in the edge here, and I'm using my phone as a mirror, which is not the best, but put some in this corner as well, just a little bit in the corner, and bring it up. Corner. And that's that. Next, I'm going to use this, since I'm wearing like a gold mustardy color shirt, I'm going to put some of this, put it right on the lid. Yeah. It's done. And blend that well with the other color from the corner. And then I'm going to blend that to the right under my eyebrow. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. black eyeliner. And it has a little tip like this. And I'm going to, I'm sorry, I'm going to use the mirror for this. Maybe you can see me, but. I just draw a line right close to my eyelashes. I'll do the same on the other side. There, I can use the same Morphe 2 palette. It has a dark brown there, right here. And I'm gonna use that for my eyebrows. I like to darken them. With some eyeshadow. There. And I'll do this one. There we go. Now I'm going to get the Doll 10 concealer again. And I'm going to give my eyes a little lift. What's in there? What's in there? Lighten those areas up. I'll let that sit there for a little while, and I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm going to put some of this. It's like a peach tone. I'm going to put some of that under my eyes. I'm going to get this brush. Blending that up. Up. Lifting the look of the eye. And I'll blend it here as well. Because, you know, trying to lighten up the lines. Brightening it up. Yeah. I think that helps a little bit. And the temples. So I have this big sponge that I just pick up any excess with. Now I'm going to use mascara. First I'm going to use this little Clinique mascara, a little sample that they sent me with a perfume that I bought. And put one coat of that. Now I get this Great Lash Maybelline mascara, and it's an old brush, so I just comb out my eyebrows with that. Like that. There. Okay. So now I'm going to use my Morphe 2 palette again. There's this color right here. It's like an orangey, rusty color. Well Grounded, it's called. And I'm going to put some of this under my eye. And bring it up. To the other side. Next, I'm going to use this glimmer stick. It's black, and I'm going to do my waterline here. Just darken it a little bit. I just like to put that. There. I think that's it for my eyes. Next, you guys, I'm going to do blush, and I use this Wet n Wild cream blush, and I pick some up with a brush. I just put a little bit. It's really a little goes a long way. You just need a little bit. Bring up my cheekbone. And I do a little bit on my jawline here. I have my hair up in a ponytail all the time, you guys. It's so hot here. And then I usually walk at night. Well, when the sun goes down, I walk for like an hour, and it's just so hot and muggy and humid. So I don't think, I never have my hair down in the summer. Okay, so what's next? I'm going to do my lips now. I have this lip liner. It's, the eyeliner was, the one I used for my waterline was from Avon. It just says Glimmer on it. And I also have this lip liner from Avon, the same brand. And let me see if I can see a color. It's chocolate. And I'm going to outline my lips. The bottom. The top. So this is what I do. I use the Maybelline 24-hour color, Super Stay Color, and I know this, some of it has leaked out through here, but So I use this, and now I go over my lip liner for two reasons. First of all, I don't like it to look so painted on. So that helps with, this helps with that. Plus, it makes it stay all day, 24 hours, like it says there. So I just use a little bit, and I go over a lip liner. It just softens the look of the liner. I've been doing this for a while, you guys. See? So, now I'm going to get the color that I always use is from Revlon, and it is Apricot Fantasy. So I'm gonna mix. There's that. And now I'm going to use this. The little paper fell out. But it's sort of like a highlighter. So I like to put some of this. I think cute. And underneath. And next. There's one more step, you guys. I recently saw someone on Instagram using this powder, and it's from Wet n Wild, and it is the pink, soft pink powder. So I'm going to pick up some of that. It doesn't come with the puff, but I ordered this on Amazon, and then I ordered 3 puffs that comes in a package. So here it is. It's real soft and nice, and I just put this under my eyes, a little bit there, under this eye, just all over, pretty much going down. Comb my hair and pick it up like I usually do in a ponytail, because it's just too hot here in Florida. After I do my ponytail, I just put on this headband, which doesn't let any hairs go to my face because they really annoy me. You know, a little makeup just helps me feel better and ready for my day, and so I really do enjoy it. And so that's it. I hope that you have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Like I said, I'm sorry I've been MIA, but some other things have taken priority in my life, but I have a couple of videos ready that I'm going to be posting after this one. I hope that you will join me for those. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you real soon. Take good care and have an amazing day. Bye, guys.